Welcome back to Brotuned, guys. Today we're shooting a day at the range Easter egg challenge. I'm way late to the game. It's the 25th of April today, and the conditions are just right. So let's get it done. Well, it's my turn for the day at the range challenge. Date and time I printed my target. So it's probably around 11. Got some bonus marks here, bonus points, if I can take that guy out. But first off, let's get this target completed. So, as you can tell, I like SK Standard Plus in my factory gun here with the factory barrel. Go back down to a 0. I dial a parallax back in. And let's see how we can do on this challenge. Okay, where's my target? Just like that, the bolt appears. We're ready to shoot. I'm gonna take a couple fouling shots. I can't remember the rules, but I'm pretty sure it was unlimited for fouling shots. Just see how it's shooting and where it's shooting. All right, I'm gonna go for my bonus points 223 case. Of course I missed it. There we go. I'll drop this mag, put a new fresh one in, and we'll start the Easter egg hunt. Starting on the left. I think we're good so far. Might have broke that line. And it looks like there might be one more below those. All right, you'll see when I hit it. Ooh, I think I broke the line on that one. Okay. Then I go far right. Ooh. Below that one. And then the one between those two to the left. Okay. Left, kind of middle. Okay, the one below that to the right. The one off the left side of that one. Ooh. That, I think, is a miss. I can't see how many more there are in there. I think there's 3, 4, 5 left, I think. So going the highest one in the middle. Right there. The one to the left, a little bit lower. Missed that one. The very bottom one. And that one I missed also. Let me go back to center for a second to see where I'm hitting. All right. Yeah, I'm not too sure where I'm at now. I think I still see one that doesn't have a hole in it. Right in the middle of the cluster, dead center. Yeah, that one pulled to the right. Well, that's my attempt. I'm not sure what my score is. Let's go check that out. Well, here we are. So that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, good, good. Didn't even attempt to hit this one, I guess. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so I hit it, this one twice, so I don't know what the rules are for that, but one of those is supposed to be here. Didn't shoot this one. Missed right there. Got it. This one I got twice, so I guess that's a miss or a minus or something. Got that one, got that one, got that one, got that one, got that one. And I'm not sure if that's another one there, but maybe it is. Anyways, it is what it is, and that's what I got. We got our bonus case, so I don't know what that counts for. All right, guys, take it easy.